welcome, welcome. Happy New Year in advance. Welcome, you hit the share button. Happy, same to you, bro. Eboka, Zama, Happy New Year. Dinya, traditional greetings, Happy New Year. Cheers, be happy. Amber peace, Happy New Year. Share, you come, you hit the share button. Invite friends, Happy New Year. Jessica, greetings, Happy New Year in advance. Essa, Akon, revolutionary greetings. Happy New Year in advance. We are moving 2021, expecting our victory. Amba people, I salute you wherever you are. Guzan, I tell you. Confirm, thank you. Abom, Johnny, revolutionary greetings. Oh, Chingman. I don't stay where I don't see you. I don't see you. Chaiman. I don't stay where I don't see you. Don't stay where I don't see that name for this platform. I hope say they fine wherever you did. Fellow Ambazonian, fellow comrades of the revolution, once more Una good evening wherever una dey, and happy new year in advance. We just get some few hours to see the next year 2021, where it will be a year of blessing, and it will be a year of prosperity. It will be a year of wisdom. It will be a year where we go harvest. It will be a year where coronavirus it will end. It will be a year where Ambazonian will get their independence. It will be a year where Ambazonian for I, it will be a tears of joy. So we just remain a few hours. We enter 2021, and I want to use the opportunity for tell our neighbors, say happy Independence Day in advance. I know say 21st of January it being their Independence Day. Maybe some of them their history tell them, but now we the Ambazonian people, we want to use this opportunity for remind the La Republique, say we wish them a happy Independence Day, where it comes a few hours of now, and we think say their president of La Republique he will make a speech, and why he never make a speech that day now for remind the citizens of La Republique for their Independence Day will be on 1st of January every year. So we remind the La Republique, say una happy Independence Day in advance. Once more, una good evening wherever una day in the Kingdom of Belgium. Na already evening, and for Ground Zero na already evening. Now we go start the broadcast where we get at today. We get a lot for talk today, but we will limit our scope for at least 1 hour, so that we go get plenty things they will do, and people will take their time for the thing, and then the memorize or the wait, the bit a show for the powerful speech where our Excellency go give on tonight. So the show will be too long, because our Excellency get a powerful speech tonight for the Federal Republic of Ambazonia, both home and abroad. Now we go to this issue of Nation Cup, where we see the propaganda where it go on for Ambazonian, where La Republique try all tactics for host a Nation Cup for the prominent cities like Victoria and Boya. We don't. Yeah, no worry. Me come. I go finish with you. I will take it off. Yes, we don't see how La Republique it use all tactics for, since they want test our how far for host Nation Cup for Victoria and Boya. I want to talk this one. Move first, keep La Republique aside. Move first, keep La Republique their propaganda aside. The man of the La Republique flag. What I been who. Alright, I no fake care wait the right. What I am Ambazonia wait do. Now it concern you and your family. I don't take it off. Yes, as I will be told before that La Republique flag, you show that flag where the carrying a fire. As na keep bonfire from that side. Not for Ambazonia. Now so we talk before that the flag come up. Now, when we talk of Nation Cup for stop Nation Cup. Now we Ambazonians, we not only limit ourselves for restoration forces, we not only limit ourselves for defense. We the citizen, the Manamboka, the picking them, the Manamboka for Ambazonian. Now we get to stop the Nation Cup. Now we get to stop that Nation Cup. When we the citizens of the Federal Republic of Ambazonia for Ground Zero, we be determined. Even our restoration force no day, we stop the Nation Cup. So this light is going for the civilian population. Say that day, me any man where he day for Fako or Victoria, more not everything or dream say something happen like Nation Cup. we dey mourn our people. That day, na day wey we mourn our people. When una dey go jubilate with la republic, una rethink. When you go there, no say your neighbor, where he lost his family, where la republic keep his family, and you watch your activities. And when you go there, you come back. When our forces, they will come inside your house, they take you for questioning, and you know the consequences. Now, when I see what will happen during election, the election pass, una say we pass now, but una no say follow up, it still go on. Follow up. The people that be partake for election, who say them dey? Una don't say I say well we won. The civilian say me no man no partake for that election. Any man will go in for that election, it cease or it go on exit. That means the land, ambassador land, you know, contain we and ye. And the enablers they decide for go in for the election, then they take themselves to Yaoundé, Douala. And this one into the goal for the civilian population say as you go for that start, camera they do outside. La Republic go show outside. Even now La Republic go help we for show people where they go watch that game. For show people where they go outside that day. When you go outside, when we call you for order, you know the consequences for order during war. So this like it go for our civilian population. Say that day, me no man no person aside. We not get anything like Nation Cup for Ambazonian. We get games where they will come, where independence don't come. We get various games there. We get all our core rivers. We get plenty things we do where we know condole to una say Muna go watch this game because when you go, you meet up crossfire. Other military battle with our restoration forces, when you carry your own, we no one hear cry for social media say, we lost Ambazonian. We don't lose people plenty, and we no one keep continuing losing people every day. We don't overlose people. People don't die. We no one continue. So any man where would go outside that day, any man where you go outside that day, it is on the 16th. It's still far. Because we talk so, when I think say as if it's far, the memory will not forget. We not know say the preparation, when I watch the defense chair for Fako yesterday way to talk. He say it's not gonna be a mercy to any man. Yes, we live for war. It's not gonna be a mercy to any man who will pass outside that day. And our restoration forces will prepare them, and they be prepared. We not tell la Republic say they can't play that at la cour they play at all. We know all that at the national they play. We know all that at la cour they play. We test or how far, but we know tell them how ready will be. We not be tell la Republic how ready will be. And we tell this one, if you get any friend, where be a footballer for this African Nation Cup then, where you get one way or the other, you live with ye, okay. Just tell them say, Ambazonian there for war. If they put their game for Victoria or Limbe, tell you say, you know sure whether he go come back. Because during that period, any man will see a aside na military. Any motor will see a aside na military vehicle. So we don't care and we don't ban, since the interim government don't ban any activities for Ambazonian within that period. Anything we will see on the road na military. And we don't know the consequences. We don't know when our restoration forces they see military. We don't know how eager it be because now one of the enemy of the revolution there will be final. So any man will go for that for us that day we take military in disguise. Yeah, because we know say military they work in civilians attires for kill our civilians. So we will see you that day for aside. We go thank you as enabler and a military where you want to kill our people. So anything we move up on that day, you will take them. Any motor will see that day. Sorry for that interruption. Any player will see that day. Any motor will see that day. We know that a military vehicle. all the strategy don't really be put in place. So we don't want, we don't want the Republic. We want now our civilians them. Still, we stay indoor. We stay put. We not get anything for do with Nation Cup. We not get anything for do with football matches. The local test our alpha. We don't know. Guna Victoria. Boya. We no want go as I go watch match. Say those people them for interior villages where they don't burn all their villages. They did inside forest. Now how they will do watch a match too? Or now only we know for enjoy, or now because you get the opportunity for people down. Now why that way they get to kill the other people? We now get to come in solidarity with the people that they don't burn the houses. We now get the report they don't burn almost 500 and something villages. When the Republic don't burn them, then the Republic want to control, it want to organize festivals, want to organize tournament for region for a county where it defy war. He himself want to organize. So now warning, this one now warning where we give all the civilians population of Ambazonian say we must stay indoors as the interim government on top, as the chair, the security chair for Fako County, he don't talk. Say all that the Fako County, it be sealed. We don't want anything like African Nation Cup or anything like football tournament. We never try. We not say that day military with tight security. Yes, we green. They will come with tight security. But no say when the tight security don't go, you will not get that security at that time. You will be an scapegoat. That's it. You go be an scapegoat. Because that day military was, you go guide. You go deal with armor car. You go deal with everything. Yes. Take for example, when the military go, then what next? Ask a question, say, what next? You be the scapegoat. You be the scapegoat. That one, it don't go for people that they think say African Nation Cup. If you hold for Ambazonian, now one is that will give you now. Then, before one go for the audios, where we get for free marshal, where some people they talk say in Nigeria, in this, we go play the audio where they work from, when we hear from ourselves. But before that one, we go first go for the enablers the way they think say divide and rule. Ambazonian they will use divide and rule, and they say we Ambazonian will be divided. Yes, we don't watch over where these enablers like Fundi, Monzo, and hosts of others. Where when they go for TV, they Ambazonian, they don't feel win this war because we be divided. Like Fundi and the political leaders for the Republic. I want to ask, say me ask Fundi some question. If Fundi come to and Kawalai and all the like, where they get small political party for Ambazonian, because Fundi as of now is a small political party for the Republic, sorry. When they can use that statement say we be divided, when I ask that question say why Fundi, Kawalai, Maurice come to, why they not be joined like a one political party for kick Pobia out? Because we just see some of them come, they don't see the level where Ambazonian don't fight, go reach. They see our strength. Some of them now, they come in for Kato say will be divided. Ambazonian not be divided. Ambazonian not be divided. Not them be divided. Because if they don't get selfish ego, if they don't get selfish pride and selfish interest, all them they will not kick Pobia out. They will form a coalition where all they will join one political party strong. But as I come to say become two, Fundi say be Fundi, Kawala say be Kawala, and then so another one also come from the different political parties. Say Ambazonian be divided. I want give you an instance where she say will not be divided. I want give you an instance where she say will not be divided. See, For any revolution, mark my word, any revolution, you must get enablers and you must get opposition. When I watch all the revolution in the past, we get the body. We get a body where they stand like the government. And then we get small distractors. And then we get small body the way where they work towards the government, where they accept the ideology of the government, but they need to work with the government directly. So we get all that kind group of person. Now, for Ambassador Revolution, we get what? We get a body where are the internal government. We get enablers where they against, but they call themselves, they be ambassadors, like the Ayabachos and the small camps there. And then we get camps where they work, they support the internal government ideology, but they know they in 100% they work with the internal government. I feel bet another one, we know, and we don't need to call names. So, and 100%, if we carry census, 80% of the Ambazonian population, they behind the internal government. 80% of the Ambazonian population, they lie on the internal government. We get 20% with the other fraction. They divide ADF, Konenge, DD, DAC, all because DAC now is not activist. Eric Tato is not activist. Eric Tato is a leader of DAC. We know man of himself. Eric Tato is not an activist. He be a leader like Ayabacho, because he be a leader for DAC. So we have to know that one. So that they get small fraction. Small fraction. But then, what way we Ambazonian, we have to know, say the internal government, now it be the body, like in those days for apartheid. When I know say during the time of apartheid, only black them be there where blacks, black man, it be there where it be the kick against apartheid, because apartheid it be then against white supremacy over the black. But what will be happening? We get blacks the way they need to die for that idea. So we must get all this counteraction. We must face all this type of people. When I watch the man of Savannah Leon, they talk say when they be the fighter, they be face the same similar problem with the fighter. But the government be stand. And when time will reach, because in the nearest future, it can't end. The world it can't end. They will ask the internal government. When they will interview the internal government, they will ask and say, what will be doing obstacles? Where we be fight this war? What will be doing challenges? Challenges. You go here, we go start name people that Ayabacho, it will be one of our challenges. You hear that it will be one of our challenges. If we get people the way they will castigate the government from morning to night, they will kick against the government, they don't say they want to do this. Now the challenges in that way we must face them. And we will not say during the revolution, if we not face the challenges, you need to give us strength. You need to give us strength. If we not face these enemies and have to combat them, you know, give us strength. Because as we combat them, we defeat them every day, it will give we more power to fight the enemy. So what internal enables them, as we defeat them every day, it will give us more power. We get to know say they must exist, and they come for existence now for fulfill the history. Now for fulfill the history for Ambazonian, because Ambazonian not be an exemption like the other revolution the way it don't take place. Say we just fight smoothly, we not get distraction. We not be fight smoothly where we not get distraction. Then we must get people the way they must be like distractors. We get people the way as we draw for the go ahead, they draw and then the draw will come back. Where it will be written in the history, say this group of people, this one they be kicked against, this one be dead this one be dead this. Now the challenges in that way will be faced away. They will interview the excellency, they will interview the member of cabinet, they will interview even activists. Say, when I win this war, what will be the challenges? Where when I face, we say, yes, our challenges. We get internal and external challenges. Yes, we get external and internal challenges. Internal challenges we get enablers within we, where they will draw our food back. External challenges, ground one, Nigeria, it will be our obstacle. La Republic will do this, civilians, this one, they will be our obstacles. So we get to know say that the way that the revolution will be 2021, it will take another look, it will take another phase. So enablers when they think say we be divided, we not succeed. That means they waste their time. May they look the strength of the revolution. May they look how the revolution starts. So now they went that way. I will tell the enablers them play some audio where Free Marshal they work from. We just listen a bit. Then before I talk the plan for key Free Marshal. Let's see. We come share. I play the audio where Free Marshal they work from. I see.
It's the Red Dragon. Today is 29.
No, listen, yeah, that's the Red Dragon.
20 December. You will see Free Marshal himself is in the field. He wants to say no to La Republique. They are just from attacking us. Free Marshal is there live. Watch and see. You will see very soon they will reach to the target. Be watching.
Now listen, I work from that. People the 1 year.
We the Red Dragons, we say no.
People the 1 year Free Marshal. What are they work from? Listen.
La Republique can never deceive us. We say no. As from today henceforward, La Republique, you will pack us out of this BLM. Under rain, under sun, you must pack out.
Now listen. Now here. Now work on that. Now here now. Okay, and the small audio that way we get them from the BLM. As people say they don't know if Free Marshal the fight, me can show himself, me the killer. Now demonstration that way it don't happen for Free Marshal. I don't block this. La Republique. Yes. Now the demonstration that it happened for Free Marshal. We don't see and we listen the war front. And we don't see videos where La Republique they plan for PowerPoint. How they go for attack Free Marshal. And then enable us they will come and say me Free Marshal make video. Free Marshal don't make. So one comment where as he stand for that comment and stand for that what where Chris Arnold the interviewee, he say Ambassador people will be eager for videos. If he provide them with videos, Free Marshal will tell Chris Arnold say, you know they for videos. When I go see videos, when we go reach Boya. Because when I listen, this audio na video the audio na video, but they don't show me the video. They say we audio because if they say video, the other ambassador they will take up start track their location, for that track them, and then for La Republique go attack them. Because una hear, it say, una hear, it just say, na them that, una go see am, na them that they come, na them that they come with the target, na 2020, on the 2020 of this month, na 2020, man, list itself.
It's the Red Dragon. Today is
Now listen again.
29.
Okay, 29.
20 December. You will see Field Marshal himself.
Okay. Now 29 December. That means say now 2 days ago. Now, but enable the one videos for can go kill La Republic for kill our king. Now, La Republic, you don't get Waterloo. They don't destroy La Republic well. If some people they be talk say Field Marshal this, now the small audio that will get them for say we play them, we are listening, we are hear the number of gunway La Republic they shoot them. We are hear the number of gunway our boys they shoot them. La Republic they shoot. After they don't jam, we are not say Amoka they work in line. When they don't jam one, the other one the turns out shoot. When they don't kick one move for game, the other man the turn now start shoot before we to start shoot. Now some people want to say the videos. So that means they carry the video now, they do that working. Now, but we don't accept, we don't listen. We not see the extent of where our boys then they go. We not see the level where some people the way that they watch me for a way, if they hear only sound for gun, they collapse. Some people the way only sound for gun, they collapse. Then if our boys they go fight, we don't appreciate. Just the fact that this boy that is fight for our behalf. This boy that is fight for fight when millions of people that will fight that fight. But they decide to take upon themselves to defend the homeland. And then so enable us. They can stand the talk say in the fight. If Field Marshal don't fight today, he no be don't fight. If Field Marshal don't fight today, he no be don't fight. Well, una want to say, una want Field Marshal hate. For get La Republic can make his speech. Yeah. La Republic ever want Field Marshal hate every year. Every year. Last year, we hear say Paul Biya be one hate for take and make his speech. This year, they say they want Field Marshal hate again for take and make speech. But now, in 2021, they don't even see Field Marshal hate. They will see a Field Marshal physically. Field Marshal will stand physically, shake hands and say, "Now he the Field Marshal this." Amen. I mean, say 2021, La Republic, you know, talk say he want Field Marshal head. Now Field Marshal go stand shake hand. We know that fake general they say, "Now he the king this." He don't liberate the people. You will not believe in this struggle. Say we go win. That means you don't waste your time. Yes, that means you work on your broken bottle and camouflage over dry leaves. We don't even win this war. We don't even win the war totally. We don't defeat La Republic totally. We now see how some people in the way. Now some prophets say you more in the spirit. You more in the spirit before you understand what you talk. Now say some people nothing understand the level where with the talk with the siam. With the talk with the siam. Some people they will cry say the war don't go, it get like now war. War you need hot from beginning go end. No. If we don't get the ideology, say war must it hot from the beginning go end. No, you go cool. The after some time it kick again. Like it start lesson at beginning. It start lesson at beginning. So we get stay fast. We're going to get the courage and be determined. So we don't even defeat La Republic. Now we come to the negotiation table. La Republic, they boss their last cut. They only boss their last cut in. They don't bring all kinds of strategy. The last strategy when they bring that up, now for this one, Monja, divide and rule. They see it take a days. It died down. The minister come out for Yaoundé, go for Boya, go give a hand of greetings for person to bring his speech, say for divide and rule. So that it will cause commotion in between us. As we cause that commotion in between us, the thing spoiled. But we the people that were ever since of independence in 1961 will ever be one people and will not ever divide. We tell them saying a lie. You can fool some people all the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time. we tell us a lie, we stay focused, and they don't confuse. And they tell them they don't confuse. When if some man tell me say we need war, I want to ask you, I say, La Republic the objective when they get them, all their objectives them, they don't achieve one. When one they don't achieve, even one, I mean say one they don't achieve, because all the kind of national dialogue, go for reconstruction, go for this, it don't end. And then they come regional election, and regional election, as they don't move our newspaper, now die, it die so. No nothing. So the last chapter, now, some people go tell them, say, enough. May we go for that Swiss. Anyhow, it will happen. Because they say, when hands stay for show over, he go touch shit. They say, when hands stay for show over, he go touch shit. Because when La Republic prolong the war, we will only be resistance to heat. We will only be resistant to war. It will affect them because we will only strengthen the economy, but it will affect them physically because maybe, I said maybe, we will take them to their head, to their own site. Now, why that way? We hand stay with toilet for sure if you touch it. So, before I want to continue the next issue, I want to use the opportunity for people that watch me. When I know me very well, I need to coach person for my platform. I need to bring personality for my platform. I don't like to talk about individuals. I don't care of academic background. I don't care for your religious background. I don't care for your political affiliation or whatsoever. But when you go extra mile for coach me, I go back on. Yeah, I be youth. I don't be the people the way keep people for that. When you coach me, I coach you back in end. Then we salute ourselves. I want to talk for this guy Sikot. Sikot don't post, some person write, comment. I don't know he post because I need to follow he. Under that comment, he accused me, he don't accuse me, he tried to drain my personality and Ndaga Napoleon. I went to that where he coached we. Say we be illiterate. He said me and Ndaga Napoleon be illiterate. I want just beg Ambassador people to watch me. When I give me small time, I don't address God. I will be the only person that. Because we know they now for coach one another. We there now for fight for this trouble. And when you do to a wrong, I can't call your name for this platform. I tell you do to a wrong. But I know go as far as start look at whether you married, whether you do this, whether I don't do this. That one be part of the revolution. At the revolution, I say when you do to it, it delay the revolution, it destroy the revolution, and then will bring her out. Me and Ambassador people, they judge me, they know it, so they go on. So this guy to say I be illiterate. First, I want to tell you say I not be illiterate because before I want to get vis-a-vis, enter Belgium, like student, you must not pass at least advanced level, not to extend degree. Before I not pass to water, or I not pass to Lithuania or Romania where they enter. I enter Belgium direct. I not ask visa for Belgium. I not ask visa only Belgium. I not ask visa for any country. They will tell the archives. I come Belgium. They sit where they na sit where they. Then I review archives. I review educational background. You come Belgium. You go VUB. They dismiss you. I don't know if old school where we go Cameroon because if you not even write every simple essay where they give you assignment, go do copy and paste, it was being dismissed. They dismiss you for VUB and you will be frustrated. And when we be frustrated, and the talk of Sikot Junior is telling me here, saying that me and talk. When we be frustrated, he apply for visa to go America. Or reach America, enter America, he don't enter America. Simple question will ask you. You know, we talk. They send it back to Belgium. I mean, say don't take visa because it be very rare for see they give you visa, American visa. They enter America. They send you back. They make you 10. Now illiterate. That means America wants to say this man. You talk about Napoleon, then America, Napoleon has infinite degree for Boya in the US. And he can US. Now choose student visa. For give student visa for America, it not be an easy thing. You cost people that educational background where you never fetch their own. You get the whole money. You see, so you get 2 things. Either it's step for Batibo, the whole for neck. It's step for Belgium, the whole for neck. You there like a student, all side borrow. Now why do you run go Finland? Now ask you run go Finland. Finland no compare Belgium. You run go Finland because of debt. When you come out America, when you come out the deported camp, you know contain the heat. And student paper no born for hand. You can do it. You can go Finland. Then now if you can coach people, when different man write a post, he join with coach. I want to say we know he career very well. We know educational career very well. Enough in 1 year. I'm saying that for Cameroonians the way they study, people that they watching they know. Cameroonians the way they renew for year, like 10 years. People they don't be 10 years like student. Renew, and they make things happen. But you can 1 year, just 1 year, they dismiss you. You know if you contain, they dismiss you. And then you can start and say we be illiterate. I'm not be illiterate. This part if I say I talk pidgin, I'm not be illiterate. And if you are be illiterate, the illiteracy is concerned for me and my family, not be you. So she cut me in mind in business because it work with the ADF for destroy the revolution where they come outside for debunk in malpractice the way they do for Amazonian for destroy the revolution. Then you talk me illiterate because anytime I want to talk about Sikot and you talk about ADF, I don't care with no educational background, I don't care with no it, and you talk about what you do as far as the revolution be concerned. But if you want to go to that extent, me no say we'll get back to people the way they hold in fight where you know embezzle money for back where cooperative union thief money run go Europe. You know we enter Amazonian. And now whatever you see, I be talking some of them. They enter the struggle so that they want to take a position where finance will pass, where they cut part of that finance, they pay that debt them for Amazonian and for Europe. Now whatever you see, some of these cheer people they stick for position, they want to use Amazonian revolution to pay that debt them. And you know we work. We the youth, you know we work in that domain. You will not be full pardon. You will not be full with the youth. You know, we are not give my money for you. Then you take and you pay a debt. Then you want me to be quiet. I want to talk. You say illiterate. Are you bring me a one-man country? And I follow you. Me and Daga Napoleon. As I don't tell you, we follow you for the beginning to the end. We Batibo no. We there now. We there Batibo. We there Mogambo. We follow you at a Batibo Pekin. We will follow you to the end. And that money we see from a credit union. It will get all. He go get all. So he go give the money all. That money they from credit union. And he go to the extent, I will tell the people who Belgium here, say, I know it. I will tell the people who Belgium here, he owe them almost 4,000 euros. I know it. Because he come here for night, go back for night. I know where he come here for where enter for Belgium for night. It's need for night. So I'll be very sorry say for my platform, I don't like to talk about people, but as he calls me say I be illiterate. For another man, he comment, he tap me. I say, man, don't finish with you one time. Yes. Now we go to the Bamele case, where we watched the presentation of Chris Anu yesterday concerning the Bamele case people the way they want to take our land. The Bamele case people the way they want to use this war to take over our land. I want to tell our ambassador people say for ground zero. The pain, some people don't resist the difficulties. And some people they sell land, not because they want to chop the money. Some people they sell land because they want to send people abroad. Some people they sell land because they not get money to pay fees. Because I know say for Ambazonian land, both south and north, the one with chop nothing lack. But we see man go extend with selling land. Me say get until we don't title for neck. Either traveling or school. But in that regard, as Bamileke people don't take upon themselves advantage for this war for take over Ambazonian. One day, Bamileke people say they prepare second war for we. As how we win the war, we come for them very powerfully. I think that the first people in that way will start show our color, because we never ever show Ambazonian they be too sympathetic. We never ever show our color for our side. Even though they see fighting war, we still be sympathetic for this war they fight. But we tell Bamileke people say they will see our color. Maybe come Chris talk they say maybe by 2020, 2010, wait. Maybe then any Bamileke man will show he support this struggle. We not there against Bamileke people. We not called me very well. We Bamileke people, but we there against Bamileke people. The way they against this struggle. That's my point. We there against Bamileke people. We there against the struggle. But if the Bamileke they think say they want to delay our struggle, they will join all them. They go out. If they think say they will connive, because Bamileke man will do without Bamileke man, then we will send out one Bamileke man. We better send all them out. We send all them out. I mean, they prepare with war. We not say they continue buying the land, take over Bamenda, take over Victoria, take over Fako, because they know say in a strategic position in that way. When Ambazonian will get independence, we work on now. We want to the land and Bamileke man get it's a sell. It's a make money, because according to the land they stock capital. Yes, according to the land capital they want invest capital. So, but we they say we dey prepare for them. Yeah, the land where governor the seller of Boya 2 million. Road don't tie to a neck. I never still free. Road don't tie to a neck. I never still free. I tell governor, the governor never still free. But we go come after them. So any man will buy land for Victoria, Bamenda, or Boya, he start be or he start do this. My brother, we will come for now. We go fight to the last man standing. We go fight the Bamileke people to the last man standing. We take them. We don't the buy them. We use advantage. No, we not contribute money. Go give governor. Say we the kill Ambazonian. Now we want to take advantage of because we see our people there in stress. We not take land. Yeah, let's go because I'm just saying this show, too long, because we get for relax and the way the powerful speech way it will come from our president. Okay, so this one now, I want to tell Ambazonian people the way they watch me here and our citizens, especially the fighters on ground zero. When I've been listening, Chris Anotoye, they say, if you don't see any action for down, not ask the internet government, not even ask the activists. When you don't see any action for that, ask your LGA chair. See, I want the Ambazonian people to say, all money where they draft. I want to all money where they draft, for the draft. It's there for county chairs them, their account. No money, no they will internet government your account now. I repeat that again. The draft money is not there for the internet government again. It's there for the LGS chairs. So any action where it take place, now the LGA, any action will not take place now the LGA. So if the LGA chairs them, they don't hold the money for she don't on top, because we not say some of them they don't hold Gumba on top the money. Some of them, they don't see that money since they born them. Their account, they never ever see that kind of money with their eye. They think how they fit thief the blood of Ambazonian. Because that money, now blood money, that money, drug money, now blood money, irrespective of people that they give that money, now people that they are alive, they give that because for liberate the homeland and people they don't lose their soul. So all fighters on ground zero start ask their cheer people. Because we know one year tomorrow, they say they be drag money. What did the internet government do? The internet government don't give rights and you don't give order and you don't send the money. All it there for LG is the account. But we don't say so LG and they get a problem and they need to fix their problem. But 90% of the LGA they find and all their money there for their hand. When I ask the LGA, they say, what did it happen? What did it happen for Menomo? What did it happen for Njikwa? What did it happen for Ndian? For Bekora? What did it happen for Monge? What did it happen for Fako? Moyoka? Now question that. Then now, secondly, we will not see no action with the activists. We will come. We will start investigate. We come online. We will call the chairman and the money where LGA get them. Nothing that we will do. If we don't hear their action, if we don't hear action, we will come live show, tell Ambazonian people, say this LGA gets so amount. And now the chairman in name this, in full names, we need to give a nickname. So that means fighters. Some of the day they think say they be one gumba on top people that money. Me fighters them ground zero start threatening say now if you not sell with that money or you not buy that material, me no say any one fighter they kill with any LGA will hang up a neck. Yes, time will be where we will not see action. We investigate, we get the amount of LGA get them, they will come for life. We tell fighters, they say any fighter where they kill them from the LGA as a result of lack of material or lack of this, we now go hang up with the LGA chair he hate because they don't give all the money. Now high time where all them LGA they start carry that responsibility because you want to be LGA chair, not be for fancy. You want to be the LGA chair, not be no man before you. When they sit in the hot for you, step down. We not say so LGA into the way the chairman that he work in collaboration with some fighters. And when time for money don't come, he will take the money divide our fighters and then make a me fighters them take all materials them, demonstrate and put them down, send them for the group say now new material. We know all those games. We know all those games them. We don't wash. We work out in short. We don't go all plenty counties them. We don't see plenty things the way they happen with the revolution. We don't see counties the way they face difficulties of this or they enter this or this. We see things that they happen for the revolution. Some people the way they come with the revolution, because they want to liberate the homeland. Some people the way they come and say they want to enrich themselves. Some people the way they come with the revolution and say diaspora don't be a failure to them. They see that opportunity now for use the block money for pay the house rent, pay their bills, pay their this. So any chairman where we will give us a short time. We will enter 2020. May 2020 be a year of grace. May 2020 be a year of change. May 2021 may be a year where we will keep all that grievance behind. We will keep that corruption behind. We will keep all that embezzlement behind. 2021 now a year of accountability and action. Now a year where action will take place. So that me Ambazonian people them they see their sweat for their draft way they get. It shocked me yesterday where I listening, I watch Christian people Ambazonian the citizens for Sierra Leone. The pledge for give money for help free marshal. I mean Sierra Leone now Africa country. and Equatorial Guinea, now we see the level where our people they be determined for the revolution. Now people in that way, in short, Ambassador and they all the whole way. If you want to go for Sudan, you will still see Ambassador for Sudan. We they all sides. We get to fight this war, meet our people, they come back, can rejoice. It be very, you see, just run down my eyes the way and listen guys to Sierra Leone and Equatorial Guinea. They try to pledge. How they send their own money for support, free Machar. And then we, the diaspora, we have a better country, we have a comfortable country, we do euros, every 10 euros. 10 euros, don't shake your account for nothing. $10, don't shake you for anything. They will go shimo back to say, down a war. Down a war. Thank God they will tell you say that war. We don't win. That war, we don't win. So, Ambassador, we give no say they don't enter. They all now for LGS chair the hand. All. Any LGS chair where are you Mika debunk me. Right on that say money never enter. Any LGS chair where debunk say all the money never enter, they don't enter. Me right. Ma disprove it. Yes, and then the last issue, the issue of RPG, where we give no say what power arm. Now one of the tools that will fight away the revolution. If we get a strong power arm, we go win the war very fast and very rapid. And as we go for 2021, I want to beg all Ambassadors where they watch me, all citizens of the Federal Republic of Ambazonian. We have to be intelligence. All we will be fighters. All we will be the keeper of the revolution. All we will be intelligent people. The way we supposed to bring ideas. We get any ideas as far as the RPG stuff. I want to tell you something. Ambazonian people be determined for buy this RPG. But we need a committed members and intelligence. And now, most of team 2021 na RPG. No, say economic sabotage it go on. And now one of the two then that will not keep them till this war end. But more team of RPG when it comes 2021, how we will start. And now we'll start to 2021 to talk about RPG. Now say we give a go extra mile for contribution. We give a go extra mile for contribution. We know say as we get RPG, we get AKs now all that. We now not say somebody will talk for this RPG. Now tell the way not find we use our social media, but we will use them. We fighter. I don't talk say I be fighter. Anything will happen, me it happen. Me they come to me say I call RPG. Yes, I was taking a weapon in that way. Our boys they need that for down. We give money for our boys, they need the arranger. Because no people they buy me about the arranger for kill the Republic because the Republic the Kiwi. So fellow Ambazonian, fellow citizens, we give us that thing in the direction of power arm. We get power arm where we will destroy the Republic. Not only them, they are gathering. Any people here say they gather. Now that place will go there. It be rather unfortunate say we talk this thing, it don't be too late. They will not ever get problem for come when it come to this cup of nation. They will just smile. La Republic not forever agree. It not ever agree for host them. That because of the way our power arm. But God so kind, we get a strategy way we fight the war, and God is the bless we and 20 fellow Ambazonians. May we fight all means for end this war. 2021, we will fight all methods, any intelligence. You will know for make any local thing, anything. We will make sure say 2021 will bring a end the war 5 years. 2021 is 5 years. Is enough to end the war. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish everyone Happy New Year in advance, and we stay blessed. We now watch our powerful presentation, our powerful speech for our Excellency, His Excellency Dr. Samuel Ekome Sako, where he come up soon, and no say analysis, panelists, activists in the way the whole session for analyze the speech. Thank you very much for watching, and we stay blessed.